Hold on to your butts and join us as we take an adventure 65 million years in the making and escape the mighty T-Rex at Universal Orlando's Jurassic Park River Adventure.
This Orlando-based ride was developed in response to the massive success of Universal Hollywood's almost identical attraction of the mid-90s.
This is one of the hallmark rides of Islands of Adventure. It is a great escape from the bustle of the park and the Florida heat while you sit under the jungle foliage. We love all of the elements that tie this ride back to the original Jurassic Park movie, especially John Hammond's video cameo in the queue, the music played throughout the ride, and the brachiosaurus.
It's a veggiesaurus, Lex! Veggiesaurus!
Guests board a riverboat, pass through the infamous Jurassic Park gates, and begin a pleasant journey seeing Earth's greatest giants. Or so they think. Quickly, the riverboat gets off track, and the boat passes through a raptor enclosure where these dangerous dinosaurs have escaped. The boat operators feverishly work to help you and your fellow passengers through the perilous journey, with the climax of the ride occurring as you nearly escape an attack from the T-Rex.
The ride operating system is similar to and can be compared to Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, but John, if the Pirates of the Caribbean breaks down, the pirates don't eat the tourists.
However, the ride is showing its age. Several of the animatronics are looking tired, and the ride's pacing feels slow until the final drop. Make sure to check out the view of the drop from behind Thunder Falls Terrace for a chance to see the epic water explosion in action. If you need to cool down quickly from the Florida heat, this is the best spot in the park to get instantly wet.
Clever girl.
We give this ride a 7 out of 10 lightning bolts. It's got the nostalgia factor for sure. While this ride needs some updating, we do appreciate that it has stayed true to the original Jurassic Park franchise.
If you're crunched on time and need to pick a Jurassic Park themed ride, we highly suggest checking out Universal's newest coaster, Velocicoaster. Check out our POV and ride review for Velocicoaster linked in the description below. However, if you have younger children or your party isn't enthralled by roller coasters, head over to Jurassic Park River Adventure.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.